Hello guys, in this video we make a circle wipe transition. First go to the effect panel and search for iris round. Then paste it in between of clips. And make sure your effect is selected. Then go to effects control. And in the alignment select the option center at cut. As you can see, a small circle appeared on the A letter, so move it and place anywhere from where you want that the transition have to start. In my case, I want that the transition should be start from the top of the building, so I adjust the circle as I want. After the completion of transition, please make this render for the smooth preview of transition. Hope you enjoy the video guys. Make sure you hit the like button. Bye bye.